Do you know what it is to struggle to do something and for years and you just can't get it right, and then all of a sudden you're able to do it? And of course, I am talking about making your own sourdough starter and your own sourdough bread. And I never imagined that I'd be able to make pita bread with sourdough. Anyway, so what's the problem I have? All of a sudden, because of supply and demand, it's very hard to find whole wheat flour. And unless you want to pay a ridiculous price, 3 and 4 times what it's worth. So I was having a lot of trouble yesterday and the day before trying to find where I could get more flour. I did buy 5 pounds in my local supermarket, brought it home and opened it, and it had tiny, tiny little insects, crawling around inside. So Amazon, I couldn't find anything at a decent price, and the other local stores that deliver, and Walmart. So finally, after hours of looking, I found a website called Vitacost. I think it's a very old business. The name sounds familiar. Anyway, with the postage and whatever other fees they have, it only came, if you buy enough of it. I bought 5 pound bags to be shipped, and it came out to $5.68 a bag when I included the shipping and everything. And you can get like for $4.49 in Walmart, you can get a 5 pound bag of whole wheat flour shipped to you, but they're out of stock. How do you like that? So anyway, in case any one of you is looking for whole wheat flour, you could find it on Vitacost. Although when I was ordering it this morning, they had a little note on the page that says, "Order quickly, only 10 left." So that's how it is. It's like the old saying, when you have money, you don't have time to spend it. And when you have lots of time on your hands, you don't have any money to spend. So keep trying.